Good morning, friends. This is time for trade wrap of 19th of April and some sort of trade plan for April 20th, 2021. Now, yesterday, fairly significant events happened, which is that vaccination has been opened up for adults above 18. See, basically, there is a bit of consensus that only vaccination can help, plateau the number of cases, etc. So I would think that the market should take this extremely positively and would begin to rally back from here, because if on a daily basis people are being vaccinated at a scale, then chances are that like Mumbai and Maharashtra, where cases are kind of coming off and plateauing, I think the rest of the country would also get there at some point. So S&P 500, had a bit of a decline, but it's been going up so much that this sort of a decline was quite likely. Meanwhile, please like, share, subscribe the channel if you haven't so far, and if you like, you can opt for our membership services. Uh, we have platinum, diamond, gold, silver, copper, etc., where constantly we are giving insights on the market. You can WhatsApp 98710 or email at ashwini_gujral@yahoo.com. And or if you want straight away, you can go to the YouTube channel and subscribe and just take the service which is appropriate for you. We have a bit of a specialization where we tend to catch large days, because often what happens is that the market suddenly has a 40 1500 point move on the bank nifty, or 3 to 400 point move on the nifty. The rest of the time we are just keeping safe. So that is something that is needed in this kind of an environment where overnight news flow and sentiment changes. Now, as far as April 20th is concerned, we have a hammer candle at the lower end of the range. So my sense is that you are likely to see the Nifty going towards the lower end of the larger range, which is about 14,500. And similarly on the Bank Nifty, again, we are hoping that once 31,500 is crossed, we could again get back to 31,800 thereabouts. And slowly from here, at least the market now has some kind of a solution on hand, and it knows what needs to be done, and the policymakers are likely to pull out all the stops to get people vaccinated. So that appears to be the case. Meanwhile, I would think that as vaccination picks up, the bank nifty could show a sharper recovery because till now the market was being defensive, but from here the sense is that the market is likely to pick up and the economy facing stocks could do better because as more and more people get vaccinated, you will have a further upside. On the pivot, today's pivot is about 14,311. Any sort of decline towards this zone of 14,310 to about 335 should allow you to buy. Similarly, Bank Nifty pivot is 3972. Any sort of decline towards 3972 should help you get in. And like the targets we had mentioned, 31,540 and 31,870 are two targets on Bank Nifty. On the Nifty, 14,430 and 14,502 are two targets on the Nifty. And broadly, I think today should be a time for a relief rally and an upswing post this sort of vaccine news that we have received yesterday. So that should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.